Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their neat receipts mobile portable scanner, the J-ZMQER USB cable. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed as a PC laptop data sync cord lead, ensuring seamless connectivity for your digital filing system. The J-ZMQER cable is engineered to be fully compatible with a range of neat receipts models, including the NM1000, NR030108, 322, 346, and 3271. For owners of these specific scanners, finding a reliable data sync cable is paramount to maintaining an efficient workflow. This cable acts as the bridge, allowing you to effortlessly transfer your scan documents and receipts from your neat receipts device directly to your laptop or PC. Imagine the convenience of digitizing your paperwork on the go and then, with a simple connection, having all that data organized and accessible on your main computer. One of the standout aspects, highlighted by the brand, is their commitment to safety and quality. While a data cable might not have an AC input like a power adapter, the underlying promise of international quality certification means users can expect a product built to high industry standards. This translates to a stable and secure connection, minimizing the risk of data corruption during transfer and ensuring the longevity of both your scanner and your computer's USB ports. The mention of protection against short-circuiting and overvoltage, even if typically associated with power supplies, speaks to a broader philosophy of manufacturing reliable components that won't jeopardize your valuable devices. It's about peace of mind, knowing your essential data transfers are handled by a dependable cord. Its special feature of being portable makes it an ideal companion for the neat receipts mobile scanner itself. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a client's office, or simply moving between different workstations at home, this cable is designed to travel with you, ready to connect whenever and wherever you need to sync your digital files. The USB connector type and cable type are standard, ensuring broad compatibility with most modern laptops and PCs, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. Ultimately, for anyone who uses a neat receipts NM1000, NR030108, 322, 346, or 3271 scanner, the J-ZMQER USB cable is more than just a piece of wire. It's an integral part of their digital filing ecosystem, providing the reliable link needed to keep their financial records and important documents organized and up to date. It's a simple yet essential tool that ensures your mobile scanning efforts translate into a perfectly synced digital archive on your main computer. Always remember the kindly note from the manufacturer. Double-check your device model to ensure perfect compatibility before purchasing, guaranteeing you get the right fit for your specific neat receipts scanner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.